Oh my god. Ah!
Oh my god. Can you redo that?
Yeah, let's let you redo that. See, who loses this game. Oh! That was pretty.
Okay. That's not done.
He fell.
After? Yeah. Yeah, I want to play again.
Dale's already like free gaming for the next game. Like today, this game ain't working out.
I have K and I'm like, let's play again.
Yeah. Oh.
Hey. How skaters struggle for
Oh. Oh, you kind of learned these. Oh.
Do you have T? I want to play again.
Oh. Yeah. There we go.
There's no way I'll be able to do that right now.
Wherever. Damn. Woo, yeah, Dan. Switch flip.
No, this?
Careful hands.
Yeah.
If those hands were a little more careful, maybe you would have roasted it. Oh shit, the comeback kid. Oh, fuck that trick. That almost kind of went.
You want to go again?
No, I'll just take my win.
Come on. I want to.
Damn. You know, statistically, paper is the most frequently thrown. It's a make. I said that was a make.
Sorry. I mean, I'll take it. What was that?
Take a try. Oh, he's a fucking stoppable. Good luck, Shiny. It's like the same game again. Oh, I like it when people land on the nose. I think it looks cool. Oh, Dale did the straight 8 today for his first time. Oh, oh, oh! Starting to rain again. Maybe this rain's what you need for the extra slip. What? We got a K to K, switch heel. He's unstoppable.
The rain, yes.
Ooh.
There's a letter.
Back 180 Vero flip. Oh, look, it's making streaks. It's like just wet enough.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, of all the tricks to try right now.
That was the right idea.
That was. Oh, I'm so glad I looked over to film you. Hit him with a V. Woo! Oh! V, hit him with the V.
Last second decision right there.
Oh my god. T to T?
A to T.
A to T.
What?
Nollie
Big
back
spin?
heel, big spin, big flip.
He's
nollie
right.
heel.
He's right, T to T.
Yeah.
We're teed up. Regular heel. What even happened?
What do you think?
No, that was defense. That's good. I mean, like, it wasn't good, but it was, like, good. Oh, you dirty dog. Dirty dog. That's the Widowmaker right there. Oh, fuck, dude.
Never in my day would I have thought that I would be this guy.
With only
at flat
varial
ground.
flips.
With fucking varial flips, yeah.
Never play him again.
Yeah, no. We're ending on that now.
You got to do a winner or take all.
I got new shoes and a complete.
We can do a winner take off. You're gonna take it, but
Oh, he was ready for that limp paper. Flaccid paper over there. Oh, and the ground just gets wetter and wetter. Oh! I'll give you a redo on that nollie flip.
it's getting really wet.
I mean, no, it's an S.
It's getting
I
fucking
landed
wet.
perfect over
I'm
He
going over.
fell.
I'm skating over here. It's getting too wet for me.
What?
No! Finish on the slippery ground. It's more fun over here. Back over here. Back over here.
It's a handicap. You just deal with it.
Dude, it's too slick. Fuck that.
This is extreme.
No.
It rains in the world, dude. People will be dying for rain right now in some places of the world.
Oh, yeah, that's kind of gnarly.
I'm going over
No,
there.
no,
Yeah.
Okay, no, he did it on this ground. You got to do it on this ground.
Jasper slide.
Oh, that worked. Did you do it?
Yeah.
You didn't film it?
No, because you got to do it on this
Dude, I ain't
ground.
fucking skating on this ground, bro. It's way too fucking slick. I'm gonna fucking
You're
like.
not hesh at all, bro.
Yeah,
can't
you're really
adapt.
not. You're fucking fresh as
Dude, what
fuck.
do you even know about skateboarding? This guy in his cardigan.
Yeah, cardigan on the fucking real ground.
Corrigan. This guy in his Corrigan.
I'll sub in for one trick.
Casper. Ooh.
So what?
You set my trick?
Does that mean we both have to do it?
No, you said he'll sub in from.
Yeah, but it was my turn,
No, it wasn't.
Fine, you just did. I did tray flip and then you.
and I did tray flip.
So it's my turn to set a trick.
Dude, really?
That's
That doesn't count.
That's how the game works.
No, I mean,
Say your trick. I should probably take that though.
Oh yeah, you gotta land nice and straight. You're just retreating to the griffy ground.
downhill.
Oh! Highlight of his life right there. For every time you give him a letter, you give him a letter and a half because you're doing it on the adult ground. That was insane. This ground is like seriously like slick.
All that.
I'm trying to see that Casper slide.
Oh, damn. Cheating.
Yeah, he's cheating, dude. You're letting him cheat though because you're a good sport. Ooh. I like that he bailed it. What are you thinking? Switch flip that he's gonna land?
Ooh. I can't switch flip in these shoes. Or do anything at that.
And Dale noticed, and that's why he keeps fucking doing switch flips.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't have anything.
Yeah, because you keep fucking retreating over there.
Dude,
That is insane. He's doing like big spin tricks on that. Switch front shove revert.
Worse.
Yeah, it's bad now. You can see the streaks.
I just move here now, or what?
Yeah, you can come over here if you're a coward as well.
dude, fuck
I'm
that.
just trying to skip low to his level.
Oh, that's what it is.
I
He's
ain't
just
trying to
evening.
get fucking injured on some dumb shit.
He's just
dude.
evening the playing field. That's all this is. Ooh.
Evening the playing field.
Oh! I guess you got to redo it, even though it's really good.
It was cool.
Like I liked it.
That's my A.
I got such a reason.
I like the commitment though. Switch one heel.
To the bank.
Damn, transition skater.
That's my T.
T to what?
K.
T to K.
T to K.
Dude, pickaxe him right here.
Pickaxe? What's a pickaxe? Oh, pickaxe is like disrespect.
Oh!
How do you do that?
Pickaxe. That's a pickaxe.
Dude.
Or is that me getting pickaxe?
That's you pickaxing yourself.
Yeah.
You just shot yourself in the foot.
It would be a pickaxe would be like if you did an ollie north and you knew I couldn't ollie north.
So here's the situation there. You're definitely going to win with that trick, but all the 7 to 8 people that are going to watch my video are going to not count you as a winner. Yeah, do something else.
Maybe another
Switch pressure flip. Okay, yeah, take him out with that. He's just like got barrel flips today. That was a poppy one. Oh my God. Oh my God.
I landed weird.
You did it though. That's definitely more of a counting trick. You can redo it if you want.
Good game.
You gotta at least try it.
Good game.
You're gonna try it?
No, dude, you fucking.
You gotta try it. That was close. Chris versus Dale.
Kale.
Who won?
Me.
Take a ladder. Oh, he's warmed up now.
Oh, good. That's Nolly.
Nolly.
Oh. It's like really raining now.
Yeah,
I know.
exactly.
What a thumbnail. Oh!
Alright, I'm done.
That was a West Coast nollie field.
What the fuck? That looked crazy. I love that he keeps running that.
Nollie?
Yeah.
What the hell?
Ooh, that was like in prime now. Ooh,
What do you got?
a terrible outfit.
No, he's got a good outfit.
Oh, that's a ladder. What a rebuttal.
What's he got?
Fake a tray? Fake a tray?
I don't know.
Okay.
S?
Nollie burial?
A?
Okay.
You have K. What'd you fall in besides Varial? Or not Varial?
The switch.
Oh, switch flip.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, thought that was gonna be it.
Me too.
Yep. Nope.
Oh.
Ah! Pivoted on the rain.
What the fuck, man?
Is that T?
That's A.
A to K.
Oh.
What are you looking at me for? I love that he's running these barrel flips.
I like that I can like do these now.
Yeah. Oh, but so can he. Okay. There's no way he's gonna get a ladder on that, but okay. I guess he's gonna try to wear him down, make him tired. Whoa! It was a valiant effort.
So this is where I do the heel flip?
Yeah, this is your cue.
No.
Be the bigger Chan.
Is that even a redo?
Yeah.
I think it's a redo. What does Dale think?
That helped him.
Yeah. Ooh.
What am I at? T or A?
That's T.
Is that T?
Yeah.
All right, Dale. This fucking guy, dude. Only because it was raining.
That is why.
It's short for him to do that.
Oh! Another try. If you somehow land this.
Can you imagine?
I can't. I actually can't.
I could probably do that like over a hip.
He was sitting down.
No, I wasn't. I stood back up. Oh, you want to play again? Doesn't matter. I'm having fun. Oh, I lost. Oh!
Oh! He was ready for him to read.
Alright, let me take a dry spot.
Ooh, that was better than the first one. That'll get you. That's the end of the game. Full cab heel. Let's go.
Oh, I was about to do a kickflip.
Do kickflip. Be that guy.
Shit.
I love that fucking trick. Nollie.
Oh, defense.
I say a redo. I say give him a redo. Yeah, redo. That was a nollie half cab revert. That's the one. We're not crumb snatching out here. Even YouTubers have standards.
My grip is like getting wet right in that spot.
Yeah.
Like yeah.
That was a good looking backside flip. That's a ladder. That's a ladder.
Okay.
Are you asking me, K? Yeah, K. I wasn't sure if you were just like K, like I fell, or like you have letter K.
What's he got? Nothing? Oh, no.
Redo it.
What do you mean that counts?
Nah, it's toe dragged. Yeah, we had a conversation about that a long time ago, the no pivot full cabs. Can I get a redo?
That's the call. Someone tell me.
Redo. Counts.
Counts? Fuck, they're so bad.
Fucking hydroplane the shit out of it, baby.
Yeah.
Okay. Just think, guys, the winner gets to be the thumbnail of my video.
Oh, I should have went that way. See that? Fucking loser. Whoa!
Has no one done kickflip yet?
No.
Okay. I don't know what you did with your fucking arm there. It was worse than careful hands, but okay.
Careful.
Oh, the rain has spoketh.
Name escape parentheses gone moist.
Okay. Okay.
Hell! I didn't know you got it like that.
Oh!
That was way better than mine.
Oh! He did that in a game of skate against me one time. He learned that trick in a game of skate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I did a fucking.
Oh, slippery gypsy. Wow. Switch dude flip?
The switch, dude. Show him how it's done, Chris.
Oh!
Well, it's kind of like 40.
What do I have?
A barrel flip problem.
Yeah.
Ooh, that was close. That was a good tray flip. I like that you don't have a boring 360 flip. A lot of people have boring 360 flips.
My toe dragged is it.
It's for defense. Ooh, feeling that shitty.
I did it shitty.
Yeah. Oh, T! Dale, take him out! Dale!
What should I do?
Okay. Here are the tricks that you could possibly get him a ladder on.
Can you switch trick?
Yeah, he did one earlier. I watched him do one. I would say... So you tag me in, dude. Tag me in.
Tag me in, dude.
I don't know. Figure it out on your own. You're right. I can't assist. Because I'll tell him fucking 5 basic tricks that would just take you out immediately.
Should we go for the moon?
Fakey hard.
He's got fakey hards.
To the moon?
Switch backside flip. Oh.
That's a good one. Switch back 3 kick flip.
Back heel flip.
I want to... Oh, yeah.
We fucking blew it.
He said hard right tail. It's a back 180 barrel flip. Don't think barrel flip. Think back 180 barrel flip.
I just can't get it to work ever. So that's A? Yeah.
Wait, what is that? That's T, right?
E, no?
That's T.
Everyone just said
I
different
thought
letters.
I thought you were on T earlier.
No, he was on A earlier.
Okay.
Sure?
Or T. I don't know what he was on,
I
man.
had A and you had K and then I didn't do
Okay,
yeah,
then he...
I have A, you have T.
Okay.
Oh, this is a new game.
We think. We don't know what's going on.
Dude, the only possible, like...
Oh.
The only possible outcome in any of these games is just for me to get lucky. Like, I gotta fucking come out the gate swinging and, like, stay there. I get a couple chances, and that's it.
Well, he fell on front shove, so, you know, ball's in your
but-
court. Fakey hard flip. Switch dray?
He's got it.
Dude, I don't know what to tell you. Regular barrel flip?
Everything, Dell.
You say you have
I
everything?
have everything. There's nothing you can do.
Engage my peoples.
Oh shit!
Okay, that actually took me by
I
surprise.
lost on this trick in... That's fucked up, because I lost on this trick in Battle of the Barracks.
And you're gonna lose again!
God damn it, the trauma.
Oh my god,
Look how far his board went. You know that if you beat him, that means you've beaten everyone that he's beaten.
Yeah.
It means you're better than them all, too. That's a redo.
Is it?
That's a redo. That's a redo. That's definitely a redo.
Yeah, they would give you a redo at the barracks.
They wouldn't. I would.
Yeah, they would.
Redo.
If it was raining inside the barracks, maybe. I think
Yeah.
they would give a redo.
It's just less slippery than inside the barracks. Oh! He's the best! He did it! He went viral!
Dude, how did I fuck? I never in my life would have thought I would have beat both. I beat him once today, and I beat the only game we played.
You played another game earlier and you lost.
With him? We didn't play with him.
You played 2. That was your second game.
Oh.
He literally remembers whatever the fuck he wants. Like, your past must be so nice.
It just cancels out. Oh, I guess.
Yeah, so you guys never played.